V101A. Malfunction closed. Please do not worry about my spelling. I will check it again, spelling and grammar. And after that, we have come over here. Then MOV V101B. This is B. Flushing. This one, huh? Yeah. So VAB 0101. VAB 101 malfunction close when required. Okay, so flushing line will come here and it will flush solenoid valve SV 101, then SV. SV. Okay, guys, so if you see here, in this system, we identified all the no-flow situation. Let us review this PNID, then we'll go for another PNID. So otherwise, we'll miss it. If this standard blockage, what will happen? Poor sampling, delayed sampling. Yeah. Okay, so what is the consequence? Delayed sampling, maybe is a small loss of time. Sorry? No.
If it is not working, then you cannot sample it and you cannot allow the tankers to.
There is no plan.
Okay, I mean, Imran, I agree with you, but there are many tankers are there, no? So, say for example, now this strainer is blocking slowly. No, they have a common one. This is common strainer.
Common is failed.
It will depend, huh? What we are saying that.
Terminal job
Yeah. I think let us move. Okay, let us move. Yeah. I am impacting, right? Point potential, less flow.
No flow.
No, less flow to the system.
It is not working, no flow, because there is only one flow.
No flow is critical, huh? No flow is critical.
So then you need a bypass.
No flow, yeah. No flow treatment. Okay.
No flow, huh?
No flow, we are saying no flow. Yeah. So guys, yes, I mean, I go up to that extent. If there is